Crash Course on Japanese Society. An overview of Japanese society, including social norms, customs, and beliefs. Japanese society is known for its unique cultural norms and customs, which have developed over centuries of history. One of the most distinctive aspects of Japanese society is its strong emphasis on group harmony and collectivism, which is reflected in many aspects of daily life. In Japan, social hierarchy is an important concept, and people are expected to show respect to those in positions of authority or seniority. This is evident in many situations, such as the workplace, where employees are expected to defer to their bosses, and in family relationships, where children are expected to show deference to their parents and grandparents. Another important aspect of Japanese society is the concept of wa, which refers to harmony and balance. This idea is reflected in many aspects of daily life, such as the emphasis on consensus building and the avoidance of conflict. This focus on harmony and balance is also reflected in Japanese art and design, which often emphasizes simplicity and elegance. Japanese society is also known for its strong work ethic, with long hours and dedication to one's job being highly valued. This is evident in the practice of karoshi, or death from overwork, which has been a serious problem in Japan in recent years. In terms of customs and beliefs, Japan has a rich tradition of Shinto and Buddhist practices, which coexist alongside modern secular culture. Many Japanese people participate in Shinto rituals and festivals, such as the New Year's Day visit to a shrine, while also celebrating secular holidays like Christmas and Valentine's Day. Japan is also known for its unique cuisine, which includes dishes such as sushi, ramen, and tempura. Food is an important part of Japanese culture, and many social interactions revolve around meals and drinking. One interesting aspect of Japanese society is the concept of omotenashi, which refers to a spirit of hospitality and service. This idea is reflected in many aspects of Japanese culture, such as the high level of customer service in stores and restaurants, and the practice of giving gifts to show appreciation or apologize for a mistake. Here are top 12 Japanese social norms, customs, and beliefs. 1. Group harmony, wa. One of the most important social norms in Japanese culture is group harmony or wa. This refers to the idea that individuals should prioritize the needs of the group over their own desires. This is reflected in many aspects of Japanese society, from business meetings to social interactions. 2. Respect for authority. In Japan, showing respect for those in positions of authority or seniority is crucial. This is evident in the workplace, where employees are expected to defer to their bosses, and in family relationships, where children are expected to show deference to their parents and grandparents. 3. Gift giving. Gift giving is an important part of Japanese culture and is often used to show appreciation, apologize for a mistake, or as a way of building relationships. Gifts are given for many occasions, including business meetings, weddings, and funerals. 4. Bowing. Bowing is a common form of greeting and showing respect in Japanese culture. The depth and duration of the bow vary depending on the situation and the person being greeted. 5. Language politeness. The Japanese language has different levels of politeness that are used depending on the relationship between the speakers. This includes different verb forms, honorific language, and levels of formality. 6. Punctuality. Punctuality is highly valued in Japanese culture, and being late is considered rude and disrespectful. This applies to both social and professional settings. 7. Cleanliness. Japan is known for its cleanliness, and this extends to many aspects of daily life. It is common for people to remove their shoes before entering a home, and public spaces such as trains and parks are kept clean. 8. Group dining. In Japan, dining is often done in groups, and sharing food is a common practice. This reflects the emphasis on group harmony and social bonding. 9. Onsen, hot spring, culture. Onsen, or hot springs, are a popular form of relaxation and socializing in Japan. Onsen are typically separated by gender, and bathing suits are not allowed. 10. Tea ceremony. The Japanese tea ceremony is a traditional practice that emphasizes the importance of mindfulness and simplicity. The ceremony involves the preparation and serving of matcha tea in a formal setting. 11. Cherry blossom viewing. Hanami, or cherry blossom viewing, is a popular tradition in Japan. During the spring, people gather in parks to view the cherry blossoms and have picnics with friends and family. 12. Shinto and Buddhist practices. Shinto and Buddhist practices are deeply rooted in Japanese culture and are still widely practiced today. These practices include visiting shrines and temples, participating in festivals and rituals, and incorporating spiritual beliefs into daily life. These are just a few examples of the many social norms, customs, and beliefs that are an integral part of Japanese society. By understanding these customs and traditions, visitors can gain a deeper appreciation for Japanese culture and build stronger relationships with the local community. Overall, Japanese society is rich and complex, with many unique customs and traditions. From its emphasis on group harmony and social hierarchy to its strong work ethic and rich cultural heritage, Japan is a fascinating and multifaceted society. Here is a poem on Japanese society, social norms, customs, and beliefs. In Japan, social norms run deep, with customs that make one take a leap. From group harmony to gift-giving, there are ways of life worth living. Respect for authority, a crucial trait. Politeness in language, we celebrate. Bowing and punctuality, a sign of respect. Cleanliness and group dining, we never neglect. Onsen and tea ceremonies, moments of peace. Cherry blossom viewing, a tradition we seize. Shinto and Buddhist practices, a spiritual way. The essence of Japan, in every day. In Japanese society, we hold dear the customs and beliefs that are sincere. A world of traditions, with values that unite. A culture that's rich, and a society so bright. Here is a long song on Japanese society, social norms, customs, and beliefs. Verse 1. From the land of the rising sun comes a culture that's second to none. A society steeped in tradition, where customs and norms are a true condition. Chorus. Oh, Japan, with your customs and beliefs. A society that's strong and ever so brief. Your social norms make us stand in awe. A culture that's rich and forevermore. Verse 2. Group harmony is a way of life, where the needs of the many come before strife. Respect for authority is highly esteemed, a value that's held and forever redeemed. Chorus. Oh, Japan, with your customs and beliefs. A society that's strong and ever so brief. Your social norms make us stand in awe. A culture that's rich and forevermore. Verse 3. Gift-giving is an art form here. A way to show appreciation, without fear. Bowing is a sign of respect. A gesture that's used and never neglect. Chorus. Oh, Japan, with your customs and beliefs. A society that's strong and ever so brief. Your social norms make us stand in awe. A culture that's rich and forevermore. Verse 4. Punctuality is highly regarded. A trait that's deeply embedded. Cleanliness is a way of life. A virtue that's held and forever rife. Chorus. Oh, Japan, with your customs and beliefs. A society that's strong and ever so brief. Your social norms make us stand in awe. A culture that's rich and forevermore. Verse 5. Onsen and tea ceremonies, moments of peace. Cherry blossom viewing, a tradition we seize. Shinto and Buddhist practices, a spiritual way. A culture that's diverse and forever in sway. Chorus. Oh, Japan, with your customs and beliefs. A society that's strong and ever so brief. Your social norms make us stand in awe. A culture that's rich and forevermore. Verse 6. In Japanese society, we hold dear the customs and beliefs that are sincere. A world of traditions, with values that unite. A culture that's rich, and a society so bright. Chorus. Oh, Japan, with your customs and beliefs. A society that's strong and ever so brief. Your social norms make us stand in awe. A culture that's rich and forevermore. Outro. So here's to Japan, a society so grand, with customs and beliefs that forever stand. A culture that's rich, and a way of life so pure. A society that's strong, and forevermore. **** Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.